Ladies and gentlemen, do you know what happens when an architect binge-watches home makeover shows, drinks 3 flat whites, and suddenly remembers they're also an artist? You get the Black Barn, a tiny house so stylish and open-plan, my neighbor Greg tried to rent it as an art gallery. I mean, this place is so sophisticated it made my apartment feel like a janitor's closet with Wi-Fi. We're Camp Avto, your home for hilarious vehicle reviews, tiny homes, and the occasional breakdown, mechanical and emotional. Now, back to this Australian wonder. Measuring just 30 square meters, 323 square feet, this single-level stunner packs more style than my ex's Pinterest board. From the outside, it's got matte black Colorbond cladding and real Aussie black butt timber at the entry, which sounds rude, but isn't. There's a set of 3 tall rear windows in a 6-grid farmhouse pattern. Step inside and the vibe completely flips. This place is sleeker than my cousin's Tinder profile pic. We're talking an open-concept palace, where the bed faces the bathroom door. The sofa's got its back to the kitchen, and the trapezoid bedroom window looks like the kind of glass they install in Bond villain lairs. It lets in light like it's trying to tan your soul. The lounge takes center stage like it's auditioning for Broadway, with a legit living room setup, a huge TV, built-in storage, and a rustic fireplace tucked between the bed and sofa. Oh, and yes, there's a dining table in a tiny house with 4 actual chairs. The kitchen? Minimalist, single-wall, elegant. It's got full-height cabinetry, overhead cupboards, and a large central window. I believe it's the type of kitchen that makes you feel like you can cook, even if your idea of gourmet is reheating pizza. And then there's the bathroom. Compact but efficient. Compost toilet, barn-style door, elongated vanity. It's the kind of space where you do your business in eco-friendly style. Now, here's the kicker. It's not just about design. The Black Barn starts at auto $138,000. That's about $88,000 USD or 81,000 euros, depending on how your economy's feeling. Designed by Tiny Easy and built by Big Fig Tiny Homes. This place isn't some concept sketch in a forgotten design journal. It's real, buildable, and thanks to Tiny Easy's slick software tools, accessible to those of us who don't speak fluent blueprint.